Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today, we'll be cooking again, and this time we'll be making a very easy and budget-friendly recipe.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
For those of you, I know meron mga stock ng sardinas. Well, we'll be cooking a dish na pwede nating ihalo ang sardinas. Kasi siguro napapaisip na kayo, ano pang pwedeng iluto with the sardines. So, for today, we'll be making the Ginisang Kalabasa with sardines. Before we begin, if you are not subscribed yet to my channel, please do so by clicking the button down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo kung kailan ako nag-upload ng bagong videos. Now, without further ado, let's begin cooking. So, for our ingredients, we'll be having about 2 cups of kalabasa or squash. Slice na siya. Then, we also need about a cup of sitaw or string beans. Hinimay-himay ko na din. You can cut it into the size that you prefer. Ako, about 1.5 inch. Okay na sa akin yan. Then, of course, you need sardines. Any brand will do. Kung anong meron kayo, okay lang. And of course, ang mga basic natin na bawang, sibuyas, and for additional spice to our dish, we'll be using the chili greens as well. Then, a bit of salt and a bit of ground pepper. Okay, now that we have all the ingredients prepared, let's begin cooking. So, we just need to heat up a casserole. Syempre, we also need a little bit of oil, panggisa natin. Just wait for the oil to heat up. Pag mainit na yung mantika niya, you can start to put in the onions. Gisa-gisa niya na yung onion muna. Medyo mabilis lang tong ating pagluluto kasi talagang napakadali lang niya. You can add in the garlic. This time, we will put first the sardines. Huwag nyo munang itatapon. Lagyan nyo to ng tubig. Mga puno muna. Gagamitin natin yung water later pag medyo nagisa na natin yung sardines. Ang gagawin nyo dito sa sardinas, medyo dudurugin nyo. Parang ano lang naman kasi itong sardinas natin, pampalasa lang, pampadagdag lasa dun sa ating ginisang kalabasa. Now, you can add in the kalabasa or squash. Medyo halu-haluin nyo lang muna. Pag nahalo nyo na, you can add in the water na nilagay natin dito sa lata. Parang medyo hugasan nyo yung para ma-said natin yung sauce. There you go. Then, medyo halu-haluin nyo ulit. We can add in about half nung lata ng tubig. Then, just let it come to boil and just wait for the squash to soften. For this, kailangan natin siyang takpan. Okay. Just let it simmer like that. Maybe about 10 minutes will do. Okay guys, pwede na natin lagay yung ating sitaw. Ang bilis na to. Tapos, dagdag yun na din yung sili. Pero okay lang kung ayaw nyo sili, you can opt for that. Now, since naglagay nga tayo ng tubig sa ating niluto, we will add a pinch of salt. Maybe about 2 pinch of salt. Depende sa panlasa nyo. Meron kasi iba na gusto maalat-alat. Yung iba ayaw na masyado maalat. Then, a bit of... that's not a bit. Mahilig kasi talaga ako sa manghang. So, medyo hininaan ko na din yung kalan natin kasi saglit na lang to. Just simmer this for about 5 minutes, then it's ready to serve. Okay guys, Ready na ang ating ginisang kalabasa with sardines. Now, let's just prep this for serving. So here it is, guys, our ginisang kalabasa with sardines. Okay guys, so for our next dish, we'll be cooking beef naman. I know, medyo may kamahalin ng beef. And minsan kasi diba nag-crave tayo na kumain ng beef. So, kung wala kayong budget for regular beef na you can opt for the repack or yung mga ready to cook na like beef tapa, like this one from SM Bonus. I think it's only for 65 pesos yata, mga ganong price range lang, and it's for 1/4 kilo na. So what we will do with this is we will not be cooking the ordinary beef tapa recipe. Instead, we will stir fry this with the sweet peas. This would suffice sa mga beef cravings ko talaga, kasi okay na tong ganito. So, for the ingredients, syempre, you'll need 1 pack of the beef tapa by SM Bonus. Ngayon, kung wala kayong makitang ganito, kung meron kayong ibang beef tapa na ready to cook na nakapack na ibang brand, that's fine. But 1/4 kilo of this is enough. Kung halimbawa mga na kayo, 2 to 3 person. Next is about ilang guhit lang to na sweet beans. Nakapack na yung sa SM na binibili ko. I think wala pa yata tong 20 pesos ang isang pack. Nag-range lang yata sa 12 to 15 pesos. Then of course, yung mga basic na sibuyas. For this, we'll be using white onion. Then, 2 small garlic cloves. Tapos, of course, hindi mawawala ang siling haba or green chili. Then, of course, salt and pepper. We'll also be using a little bit of soy sauce. Kasi kahit timplado na yung beef tapa natin, itimplahan pa natin siya konti. Hindi ko masyado tayo pintimpla nung sa SM Bonus. So, without further ado, let's begin cooking the beef tapa stir-fry. So, first, you heat a pan with a little bit of oil. Okay, I think mainit na yung ating kalan. Gisa muna natin yung sibuyas. Balik kalahati lang nung sibuyas yung ginamit ko kasi masyadong malaki yung white onion natin. And onti lang naman yung beef. Baka sabihin nyo naman is stir-fry onion to, hindi beef. Pwede natin ilagay yung garlic naman. Bango talaga ng bawang sibuyas pag ginigisa. Okay. Now for the beef, medyo hiniwa-hiwa ko pa siya ng maliliit konti kasi medyo buo yung beef na nandun sa pack para medyo bite size yung niya. Mga ganito na siya karami, isang bowl siya. Mga, I think 1.5 cups na to. So, ilalagay na natin itong beef. Pwede kayo maglagay about 1/4 cup ng tubig. Then, pwede na tayo mag-start mag-timpla. So, of course, daming paminta. Then, a little bit of salt lang. Konti lang kasi maglalagay pa tayo ng toyo. Speaking of toyo, mga about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Halo-haloin nyo lang. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes or so. Okay guys, medyo pinaano ko pa siya, mga 15 minutes ko hinayaan siyang mag-simmer lang. Then, medyo ano ko siya para mag-ano yung lasa niya. Parang tapa talaga. Now, you can put in the sweet peas. Madali na lang to. As in, hindi nyo kailangan masyado lutuin yung sweet peas. Pati yung green chili. Pinatay ko na rin actually yung kalan natin kasi super init na niya. Kung mapapansin nyo, diba, natuyo na yung ano niya, sauce niya, yung sabaw. Stir-fry lang kasi talaga to. Hayaan nyo lang muna siya dyan for about 5 minutes, then it's ready to serve. Okay guys, let's do the plating. Okay, here it is guys, our stir-fry beef tapa with sweet peas. Napakadali lang niya talagang gawin. So ayan guys, I hope you enjoy our 2 dishes for today. Budget-friendly and very easy to do recipes. Ginisang Kalabasa with sardines and Beef Tapa Stir-fry with sweet peas. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys, and follow me on Instagram at mySoCloves. Thanks again guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!